I stumbled on a story that's changing an entire country. Japan is quietly replacing its own workers with Filipinos, not just in caregiving but in factories, farms, hospitals, and high-tech companies. This isn't a takeover, it's Japan reaching out and Filipinos answering. Why is a famously homogeneous country opening its doors so wide? It's about more than a labor shortage. It's about trust and a cultural connection. This shift is transforming Japan and how the world sees Filipino workers. What's happening isn't just about jobs, it's about one nation's heart quietly saving another. Let's dive in. Japan's population is aging rapidly, and birth rates are at historic lows. More people retire than join the workforce, threatening the economy. Japan isn't just inviting anyone, they're being selective. They want workers who are reliable and can adapt to Japanese society. That's why they're focusing on the Philippines. It's a strategic move, not a random choice. Filipinos offer something Japan desperately needs. Why Filipinos? It comes down to trust and compatibility. Filipinos are seen as trustworthy, dedicated, and proud of their work, values that align with Japanese culture. Their respect for elders and harmony fit right in. English skills make training easier, and many Filipinos are eager to learn Japanese. It's a rare blend of integrity, adaptability, and cultural fit. That's why Japan is headhunting Filipinos. They're not just filling jobs, they're building bridges. Filipinos first came to Japan as entertainers and household workers, but now they're everywhere, on factory floors in agriculture, construction, and especially caregiving. The biggest surprise? High-tech. Japanese IT companies are hiring Filipino developers and engineers to drive innovation. Filipinos are now vital in both traditional and cutting-edge industries. It's not just about labor gaps. Filipinos are now part of Japan's economic backbone. This isn't random migration. It's organized at the highest level. Agreements like JAPEPA and the Technical Intern Training Program create legal, ethical ways for Filipinos to work in Japan. Both governments set standards for recruitment, training, and worker protection. Japan gets skilled, vetted workers, Filipinos receive fair wages and legal security. It's a model of international cooperation. Everyone wins. Nowhere is the Filipino impact felt more than in elderly care. Japan's aging population needs caregivers, and Filipinos have become indispensable. Their compassion and warmth have earned deep trust from Japanese families. Filipino caregivers aren't just employees, they're like family, providing care and companionship. They're saving lives and bringing light into homes and nursing facilities. Quiet heroism. How do Filipinos thrive in Japan? Adaptability. Many learn Japanese, showing respect and building trust. They value group harmony, adapt to Japan's standards, and read subtle cues. Yet they keep their warmth and friendliness. Filipinos blend Bayanihan, community spirit, with Japanese way harmony. The result, a cultural bridge that works. It's not just caregivers. Filipino teachers are making waves in Japan's schools. As assistant language teachers, they're boosting Japan's English skills and global outlook. Their engaging teaching styles are a hit with students. They're not just teaching language, they're sharing culture and broadening horizons. Filipino educators are shaping Japan's next generation. Their impact goes far beyond the classroom. The Filipino story in Japan isn't just blue-collar anymore. Filipinos are now IT professionals, engineers, architects, and entrepreneurs. They're opening businesses, bridging cultures, and leading innovation. The old stereotypes are gone. Filipinos are proving they can succeed at the highest levels. They're not just workers, they're leaders. With so many Filipinos in Japan, cross-cultural families are on the rise. These families are shaping a new, diverse identity in Japan. Their children grow up fluent in both cultures, bridging worlds. This shift is challenging old ideas and making Japan more inclusive. It's integration at its deepest, love and family. The future of Japan is more multicultural. For Japan, Filipinos aren't just a quick fix, they're a lifeline. This partnership brings energy, diversity, and a global perspective. For the Philippines, it's validation. Filipinos are skilled, adaptable, and world-class. This opens doors in other advanced economies. The Filipino workforce is now seen as a source of solutions. It's a force for positive change. Filipinos are now essential to Japan's future. This story is about more than economics. It's about human connection and respect. The Filipino spirit of hard work and compassion is finally being recognized globally. They're not just filling jobs, they're elevating industries and enriching society. The world is changing, and Filipinos are at the heart of it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If this inspired you, like, share and subscribe for more stories. Thanks for watching.